Hi, in this video we are going to learn that how we can create or how can we capture a image of any design on a screen. So you can see that this is the image. So for that, go to capture canvas image, just select it, a, save it. So now you can see that a ppm, this is the image. If you want better or little bit bigger size, so you can select, you can keep as it is, as you want in your image. So just go to file, capture, instead of A1. So now C, A1. This is how you can capture image of the design.